These honey roasted cashews are sweet, salty, and so delicious. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and gather your ingredients. First, add the raw cashews to a large mixing bowl and set them aside. Then, in a small pot, add the butter and honey. I like to weigh the honey right into the pot as it's the easiest way to get an accurate measurement. Then add in the cane sugar. Put the pot over medium heat and stir with a spatula to melt the butter, honey, and sugar together. Once it's completely melted, remove from the heat and pour the honey mixture over the cashews. Stir to coat the cashews completely. Transfer the cashews to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and spread them out evenly. Bake at 300 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, and you want to ensure that you stir halfway through baking. This will make sure that the outer cashews don't burn. While the cashews are baking for the second time, make the topping by mixing together cane sugar and salt in a small bowl. Once the cashews come out of the oven, sprinkle the sugar and salt mixture over the top of the warm cashews. You need to do this when they are hot so it sticks. Then let the cashews cool completely on the baking sheet. As soon as they're cool, then it's just time to break them up into clusters. And then they're ready to enjoy. These honey roasted cashews are so much better than store-bought and so easy to make at home. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more better than store-bought recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.